This year is the first time that Quidditch is participating in the Olympics. You probably heard this somewhere else. It is in the Harry Potter books. Basically, two teams need to score points, quaffles are thrown through hoops, and if you catch the golden snitch, you will gain 150 points and win the game.
Hi, I'm Mai and I'm a chaser. The chaser job in the Quidditch team is to pass a ball called a quaffle through the goal hoops and past the keeper. And each goal is worth 10 points.
Hi, name is Zong. The keeper is one of the most important positions when the team is on defense. He has to prevent the opponent's team to score a goal, which requires a good well-built body, speed, and good reflexes.
The beaters are the only ones who can use a bat. There are 2 beaters each team. A beater must keep the team safe from the blasters and hit them with a bat. Remember, don't hit the blasters at the ground. The referee or the keeper unless the quaffle is inside the scoring area.
Hi, I'm Dirk and I'm a seeker. The seeker is the most important person in the team. They have to find and catch the snitch before the opponent does. When the team catches the snitch, they gain 150 points and the game ends. The seeker should be the smallest and fastest person in the team.